Hey dear friends, my name is Hussein Mardani. Today we are going to learn how to solve a linear equation with the machine and automation it by coding. So as example, we have ax plus b is equal 0 and we wanna solve that problem automatically. So let's open the program dev C++ and make a new project here. I name it as linear equation by C, or let me make it as C++ project here in code folder, and I make a project with the name of linear equation here. And inside that, make my project here. Okay, I get rid of these expressions and write my program here. So let's play to make sure that this will do properly. I first of all should save this node here inside my first project as main. Okay, now all thing is prepared to run my program. Compile and run. Here we can see the console area of dark design. Okay, now I can write my project. The project, we need the linear equation as ax plus b is equal 0. So this is means that, let me zoom in here. So that means that a times x plus b, or capital B here. And a and b are the coefficient that we define that. So a times x plus b is equal 0 is known as linear expression or linear equation that we wanna automatic it and solve it, and automation to solving in this area. So linear equation as a times x plus b. For example, we have 3x plus 8 is equal to 0, or plus 8, 6. So the answer is minus 6 divided by 3. So we can assume that x is equal to minus 6 divided by 3, or minus 2. That process should be performed in our project. So first of all, we need to get a and b parameter as the coefficient of linear equation. So we need to get the a and b coefficient from the user. So first of all, let me show a alarm that said cout, enter your a and b as a x plus b is equal to 0 in linear equation. And next line or handle. And we wanna get the parameter of A and B sequentially. So A and B given from user here. So we can write A and B parameter is given from the user. Okay, in the next step, we have to solve the equation. The answer of equation is C out is equal to minus B divided by A. This number can be a float number or a decimal number. So I should define this parameter as float A and B. And we notice that the amount of A can't be 0 because if I have A is equal to 0, we can't define the B divided by 0. So you should pay the condition that if A is equal to 0, the answer is undefined. So I pay the compiler that if A or if A is greater than or equal than 0 or if A not equal to 0, we can do this command. And else, it means that else if A is equal to 0, we can write that A is equal to 0 and the equation isn't linear or first degree as x parameter. And L. Here we can write also and L. Okay, let's try this code and see how this perform our program here. Okay, we have an error here. So first of all, we should use this command here using namespace std to perform this cout and ce here. Enter your a and b as ax plus b is equal to 0 in linear equation. So I enter the number a as 4 and the number b as 5 and see that the answer is minus 1.25 as the answer because 4x plus 5 is equal to 0 and the answer is minus 5 divided by 4 that gives us minus 1.25. So the answer is correct. And let's see if I enter the a coefficient as 0. So I put 0 and 4 here. And the alarm shows that a is equal to 0 and the equation is not first degree as x parameter. So this is the normal and the basic automatic machine that solve ax plus b is equal to 0 in mathematical world. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this program, and until the next video, have fun and goodbye.